Okay, ladies, you can either walk, run, or jog. It's your choice. No need to rush. So this sari will also have a story to tell. Woo!
चलो 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 लेडीज लोग और कौन होगा
Come on, ladies. आपकी ये सारी के साथ भी एक स्टोरी होनी चाहिए. कबर्ड में एक साड़ी है, उसके साथ एक स्टोरी पैक्ड है, तो इस साड़ी के साथ भी एक स्टोरी होनी चाहिए. Token of love from Tanira. Thank you, Mom, for being part of Tanira Sari Run. Thank you, ma'am, for coming here and inspiring so many women around.
So yeah, hi, I'm Coach Pramod, and this is a concept what we started 2016 in Bangalore. We wanted to highlight to ladies that fitness should also be their priority. They prioritize family's fitness, and they kind of, in that they get so engrossed that their fitness takes a backseat. So we wanted to tell them that prioritize your fitness, and that's why we started this in 2016, and now this has taken a big route in Bangalore. Last week when we did in Bangalore, there were 9,000 ladies who participated, and we have been doing this in Kolkata, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, now in Ahmedabad, and we are planning to do this in all cities. So the concept is prioritize your fitness. The attire doesn't matter. Your fitness matters. Once you get into fitness, yeah, of course, then you can go for fitness attire, etc. But take the first step. And what binds all ladies together all over India, one fabric is sari, and that's why it's sari.
Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Ambuj Narayan. I am CEO of Tanaira brand, which is a division of Titan Company Limited, and it is in the women's ethnic wear space. So our main mission is to really preserve and promote sari, which is a living culture of our country. And we also want to give a message that sari is not a limiting garment, but it's a liberating garment, and there is nothing that you cannot do in a sari. And that is why this run. Because one, we want to promote sari, the other is that we really want women to take up their health and fitness. They prioritize their health and fitness because it's mostly ignored. They're always busy taking care of others in the family, but they do it at their own expense. So that's the message, and we are very happy to see so many women that have come here today. More than 1,500 women that have come here. On a chilly morning in Ahmedabad, so we're really very excited about that. And we keep doing this event across the country. So
What is the distance that they are covering today?
They're covering about 3 kilometers, and it's they can either run or walk. It's up to them, and there are no winners. It's not a competition, and everybody is a winner today.
Tell us, how could you motivate them at a time when people are, especially women and young ladies, are discarding saris, such a beautiful attire of our country. How could you motivate them?
Tanaira brings the best of India under one roof, the best of weaving clusters under one roof. And through our stores, we have 80 stores now, and our saris are design differentiated, and they are made from pure and natural fibers. So we want to promote that, and at the same time, through these events, we want to raise awareness that sari is such a wonderful garment. It's survived 5,000 years. It's a 5,000-year-old garment. So that's how we are trying to promote.
Tying a sari is also difficult for many. So do you have some latest designs wherein you ready sari is there? Do you have that?
Yeah, we have a ready-to-drape collection where it just takes less than a minute to drape a sari, and we will also be promoting that a lot with our younger customers especially.
And what is the range of saris do you have?
Oh, our saris start from 1,200 and it goes up to a few lakhs.
And colors and designs?
Yeah, we have, as I said, we have from all the weaving clusters of the country. You can find saris from virtually every state in our store. And our designs are differentiated because they are designed by our own designers.
Your own designers. And do you have any ambassadors engaged for this?
So we are working with multiple ambassadors on this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Revolution, and I stand for such revolutions.
Absolutely.
छोटे-छोटे rebel act से ही बनता है ना पूरा समाज.
You got it, sir. That's why इसीलिए तो किया
Yeah,
है.
I always
They have
tell
to
women that you
prioritize
stand
their.
up for yourself थोड़े छोटे से cause के लिए, छोटी सी चीज के लिए. Everybody cannot become a CEO or a working woman like me overnight. And everybody cannot leave families, right?
Yeah.
That is also not we are advocating. But standing up for yourself, maybe women इतना guilty feel करती है. For 40 years के बाद breast cancers के लिए check करना पड़ता है. इसके लिए भी guilt. Yes. अरे 1,000 रुपए मेरे लिए, आधा घंटा time निकल के मेरे लिए. Now you are preventing a cancer by doing it, right? So
You will see so many 70+ women coming and doing Zumba here.
Too good.
That is what is.
I saw.
That's what this event
I
is for.
saw, and I like how women have come fashionably dressed. Because fitness does not mean loose clothes and ऐसे कुछ करके आ जाओ. Fashionably dressed. So that's what I like Tanaira Sari Run for. Bye.
Thank you.
I am Namita Sharma. Actually, we are here to take a warm-up session for the Sari Run, and we were super excited as for the first time even the instructors were supposed to wear a sari, and that was I guess the best thing for me because that's my favorite attire, and mainly it is the symbol of Indian tradition.
Hi, this is Preeti here, and it really feels good कि हम लोग
Preeti, what are you doing?
I'm a Zumba instructor.
Okay,
We are a
great.
team. We are a team of 4, and it really feels good that we are wearing sari and we can do Zumba in any attire.
Hi, I'm Rima Shah. We are the owner of Zenergy and we represent the corporate Zumba sessions which we take across Ahmedabad. I'm wearing sari because I love sari the most, and any kind of dance is graceful with sari.
Hi, I'm Mona. I'm a yoga and Zumba instructor. Basically, daily classes में तो ना we are wearing sports attire, but today we got a chance to do in sari, so it feels so amazing. Good.
Thank you. Are you going to make it a regular feature?
Why not? Why not?
Why not? We'll get another chance.
Occasionally it is fine.
Occasionally, first class. Thank you so much.
Sabas.
Sam, can you just share your experience?
बहुत अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपका नाम क्या है?
रजनी गुप्ता.
तो आप क्यों आई आज?
ये एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए कि हम लोग वॉक तो करते हैं,
हाँ.
लेकिन हम दौड़ सकते हैं कि नहीं, और एक तरह से कंपटीशन में भाग ले सकते हैं
आप
कि नहीं.
साड़ी पहनती हैं अदरवाइज?
बहुत पहनती साड़ी.
पहनती हैं. अच्छा, तो कैसा लगा आज का?
बहुत अच्छा.
सबके साथ दौड़ना.
सबके साथ दौड़ना और अहमदाबाद में रहते इतना अच्छा इवेंट अटेंड करना.
कहाँ तक गई थी
चांदखेड़ा
आप?
से आए हम लोग.
ओह, चांदखेड़ा से आई हैं.
सुबह 6:30 आ गए थे टैग लेने के लिए
अच्छा.
कि अटेंड करना है.
थैंक यू. हाँ,
बहुत मस्त है.
बहुत
एंजॉय किया.
आप साड़ी पहनती हैं?
हाँ.
पहले भी पहनती थी?
नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम है.
फर्स्ट टाइम. तो कैसे लगा आपको?
अच्छा लगा.
किसने पहनाने में मदद की आपको?
मेरी फ्रेंड
आपकी फ्रेंड आई थी. ग्रेट. ये आपका हाथ में क्या है? ये का बैच दिया है?
बैच है. हाँ.
अच्छा, तो आज आपको कैसे मस्त लग रहा है?
मस्त लग रहे हैं. बहुत एंजॉय किया. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.